Okay, so in this video, it's just going to quickly show you how to put your first-person character controller into your scene. So what you'll find is when you start off your scene and you put a terrain in and you've done some modeling with it, if you play the game, you'll just get a fixed view, so it'll look something like this. Just like that. So there's no moving around. And the reason for that is by default it appears that we get a camera object in there. So what we're going to do is just remove that camera, and we're going to put our own mobile camera that is attached to what we call a first-person controller. Now if you've imported the characters package, which you can find under Assets, Import Package and Characters, so if you click on that and just import everything, they should appear underneath or inside your standard assets folder. So over here in my project file you can see I've got my standard assets folder. If I open that up, there will be a folder in there called characters. So just double click on characters and you'll see there are three types: first person, a rollable, and third person. I'm just going to go for the first person right now, and what we want to put in is a prefab, which is the actual model itself. So there is our prefab folder, so enter there and just grab the first person controller, which is this object right here, and we're just going to drag it into our game. Now I'll just zoom in, that's F to focus, and you can see often by default it will end up being partly in the ground, so I'm just going to drag it up a little bit so it is sitting just above ground. So now you can see in my hierarchy the FPS controller has appeared, and when we press play we should appear. Here we are, and so now we are mobile in our game and we can go running around and explore. But that's it. That's how you put in a first-person controller.